Libra, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you. This is for 16 to 30 of April 2020, and yeah, all of my viewers, I'm wishing you so many blessings and happiness and abundance, and so many health, wealth, prosperity, and love. Yeah, love also, and all of my Indian Hindi Urdu subscribers and viewers, hi, kya hal hai? So Libra, let's start your reading. This is for the Libras for 16 to 30 of April 2020. Four of Swords. So yeah, Libras, you are taking a nap and enjoying. You're sleeping because I'm not feeling any stress from this card. Let's see. Page of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Magician, okay, Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, beautiful, right in the middle of your reading, new beginnings, Libras, Seven of Cups, Seven of Wands, Knight of Wands, Page of Swords, okay, so, Libra, what I'm feeling from your cards that, yeah, you have a person whom you love very much, and you think that they are dear near to your heart, and they were the only person of yours, they were the only your soulmate. When you have realized this kind of pure strong bond with them, you have extended yourself towards them, like you had told them, yeah, obviously, that you love them and you want marriage commitment, yeah, but they have rejected at that time of past your offer, and they, because at that time they were manifesting something else, they were manifesting some stable things for you. I'm not justifying them, nothing else, I'm just reading the cards for you guys. And now in your recent past you were, yeah, obviously, because with this Page of Pentacles, Four of Cups and the Magician card, you have extended yourself to them because you want equal give and take and the strong partnership, like this is the long term with this Pentacles, okay, you want a long, tangible, long term relationship with them, but they have something else in their mind, and that's why they have, like, I just don't want to use the word rejected, but I have to, they have rejected your offer of love, or it, for some of you it must be a business offer or business project. For some of you, they were manifesting something else at that time in their life, and in current energy of yours you have Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and then Seven of Cups. So now you have realized that you have so many options on your plate right now. You have so many persons around you who can see you very highlighted in the society, and they can see your light right now, they can feel you very attracted, and yeah, that's why they want to offer you their Ace of Pentacle, this big pentacle, because this is for some of you engagement or marriage, yeah, so they just want to propose you, and this is your soulmate. You have some kind of lingering about the past, or your person is now missing you. With this Six of Cups present here, they have some kind of nostalgic periods in their life right now, because all of us are alone, and yeah, obviously we can have memories of our good ones. In your immediate future you have Seven of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Page of Swords. So yeah, because of the past, now you want to jump towards something new with the Seven of Wands, because the unicorn is jumping out of the cliff, and someone is also coming towards you very swiftly with this Knight of Wands present here, and they want to offer you their communication. With this Page of Cups, this is also a very new and fresh energy, and they want to offer you some kind of like communication, and also it's an offer, it's a message, okay. So yeah, So you are not in rush. You are just making cooking, making pastries in your kitchen, and very very like healing, beautiful, because you have healed from that rejection of the past, which is good for you. let's see let's see why is the Four of Swords are here for you guys. Four of Swords for the Libra, please. Four of Swords for the Libras. Okay. Six of Pentacles. Yeah. Three of Pentacles. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Very beautiful. Very very beautiful. So Libras, yeah, you want equal give and take with the Six of Pentacles, and you want to collaborate with those person who also want to collaborate and put in their work and effort. And because now you're very very nurturing, you will never do overwork for anyone else because of your past experience. That's why you are like you have made your healthy boundaries. That's why you just want equal give and take, and in partnership or in any kind of relationship, which is good for you, because you are now very very complete. You are feeling complete with this Queen of Pentacles, so you don't need anyone. If there is someone who is like capable of equal give and take, then why not? So this is your now a mindset, which is very good. Let's see what is the Magician doing here. Why is the Magician here for Libras? Two of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Nine of Wands. Yeah, obviously they have something else in their mind, your past person with this Two of Pentacles, and they were very busy manifesting those things, and that's why they had their guard up for this Ten of Cups. Yeah, they were resisted this Ten of Cups in the past. And for some of you, you are manifesting yourself, because with this Magician here, this is another story like jumping on me in my mind. So yeah, for some of you, you are busy in your Pentacles and making yourself stable, like in manifesting yourself stable, and very very you're using all of your tools in a justify manner, and you have making your healthy boundaries. That's why universe is providing you this beautiful Ten of Cups, and you are also very very capable of this. Okay, Libra, so this is very beautiful, because now you have your guard up a little bit and make healthy boundaries. Just at the same time, you are very very open to receiving blessings, open to receive the blessings. Beautiful. Open to receive the blessings. Okay, great. Let's see what is this Ace of Pentacles here. Let's see what is Eight of Cups, Five of Wands, Eight of Wands. Okay, so eights are here present. Eight of Cups, Five of Wands, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, this Ace of Pentacles is clarified by these. So yeah, you have walked away from your past experience because of these fights, because you don't want to waste your energy in these arguments and fights with any person of your life. And then you walked away from that situation, and now after that walking away period, you will receive this news of beautiful long-term partnership, and you will have communication with that person also. Yeah, because if they have some kind of they have to travel towards you, they will, with the Eight of Wands, because this is a very swift energy and like back and forth communication messages. So yeah, they will come towards you. Let's have an advice for you guys. Advice for the Libras, please. Advice for the Libras. Star, beautiful, patience, temperance, Queen of Cups. Some of you are dealing with your fellow air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, because so many air is also here. Okay, this is also a Sagittarius for you guys, and Queen of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So Libras, what I'm feeling from your cards, that universe is giving you hints that grow yourself spiritually, because divine timing is coming your way, and you will soon have your partner in front of you. Okay, So it's a very beautiful and positive reading for you guys, Libras. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, and love, health, prosperity. So this is I have for you, Libras. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So guys, bye.